Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a webmail in Hostinger web hosting. Here you can go and type Hostinger, then you can open this website hostinger.com, and after that make sure that you have got domain and web hosting from this platform. Here you can go and check the pricing for different packages. After that, to log in you need to add here username and password. You can also use email and password. So let me wait, and for the password this one, then click here login. On the left side here you can see this one emails. Click here, then scroll down, click here mailboxes, then scroll down, and here we can add and create 3 more emails. So let me click here, then here we can add anything. For example, let me type contact@enablewebsitedesign.com. so after that here we need to add the password. Make sure that you have added a stronger password, then click here create button. So email is created. Now we can view. Now let's see how we can send an email. Click here new message, and here let me select this one. Contact enablewebsitedesign.com. Then same let me add here. After that click here send button. Now let me log out this one, and then log in into this email. Here you can see I got the message from that new webmail. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.